So hey everyone, so today we are going to dive into the breakthrough model that is GLM 4.6 by Zhipu AI. I think I'm not wrong in that. So it just came out after Sonnet 4.5 got released, and it's an open weight model that is getting some rivalry from the Sonnet 4.5, but at a fraction of cost. So that is the main selling point of it. So a lot of people have been talking about it. So let's break down like what is special about this. So let's talk about what is GLM 4.6. So it is a largest model version of the GLM series and was designed with a massive mixture of expert architecture and a huge 200K to context window that is there. So it's a lot of token context window like 200K, and there's enough to hold around 25,000 lines of code or 400 pages of text in one single run. So it's perfect for context coding or long document understanding, and it's built for coding, multi-turn reasoning, and also tool use. And the more it makes it versatile for developers and AI teams that is there. So I'll just show you this performance benchmark that I found on X. As you can see, I'll just spin it out. So as you can see, is compared to other models, here you can see Clem 4.6 and DeepSeek version 3.2, Sonnet 4 and Sonnet 4.5. As you can see, it's peaking a lot of places. SWE benchmark verified, that is the only place Anthropic is shining really, to be honest. Other places too, but this is where it shines the best because it acts like a software engineer a lot now. So that's why. So Sonnet 4.5 as of now is regarded as one of the top models for coding and reasoning right now. And Clem 4.6 has been tested head to toe and come like a surprising 48.6% win rate against the Claude and real world coding tasks. That's really huge. And it matches Claude in the agentic reasoning and tooling part. And the long document understanding is also there. So, though Claude sometimes leads in the raw standardized benchmark, so that is there. But the main part that GLM 4.6 really game changes is the costing price, because the GLM coding plan starts as $3 per month, offering access to the powerful coding capabilities, while Sonnet 4.5 cost around $3 per million token input token, that is, and 15 per million output token. So that's really a lot, and it adds up quickly. Like even if the model is hallucinating, it adds up there. So the Clem 4.6 is 5 to 10 times cheaper for the typical developer workload, making it ideal for startups, indie devs, or anyone who wants to cut the AI costs without sacrificing too much of the performance. So that's why it makes it special. I'll just tell you a few areas where it makes it really special is the huge context window, the 200K tokens that are there. I'll just see if they have posted in that one also, but I'll tell you in brief about it. See, they have already ranked fourth in the LLM arena. They are catching up pretty fast. While I'll continue with what makes it really special. So it has a huge context window, as I told. It has 200K token that is up from 128K from the Glam 4.5, making it really handle long-term tasks smoothly, and a superior coding one. So highest scored in coding benchmark and real world apps like Claude Code, Line, and True Code. So it's really better in that, and it has advanced reasoning, has superior tool use, planning, and complex problem solving, while it has better alignment to the human preference that was missing in the previous model. And it's more capable agent, so it integrates well with the agents that are there in the framework and also handles multi-dialogue naturally. So it doesn't need to give a lot of context in that. And it's also token effective. So it uses around 30% fewer tokens than the previous model, making it faster and cheaper also. So I'll give you a real world scenario. So imagine you're building a huge front end app that has more than like 20 plus components. So Glam 4.6 can refactor your code with near perfect coverage. Sometimes it outperforms Claude also, but I'm saying sometimes. While it might struggle in some of the test or edge cases, it's not perfect, but for the daily dev uses and real world project, it has a strong base of speed, accuracy, and also the cost. So that was missing in the Sonnet one. So if you should switch or not, I'll just tell you. So if you're a developer or running a AI powered project, Glam 4.6 deserves a serious look because it's of its cost, mostly because it's only $3 monthly access and performs close to the top paid model. So of course you should try it out. You can plan with Claude, and then for the coding part you can switch it to 4.6. So that's it about the Clem 4.6 rise. Better than Claude in some ways, yes, and it 10x cheaper and it's built for the real coding power. So if you want to know more about these AI tools and data in general, you can hit the subscribe button for more reviews. So if these kind of insights really inspires you, you can get a more quicker look in the starter package there that makes you ready for the job market with the resume, mini projects, and AI cheat sheets that are there. And also a full resource I have in K resources, and of course the AI carry engine. So link to all these are in the description. You can check it out. And one more, you can of course subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.